Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to unbox all my birthday gifts. Yay! By the way guys, kakauwi ko lang talaga guys. We've been so busy lately guys, practicing, rehearsing for the show. And yeah, I'm still wearing my Imagine Magic shirt, personalized by Mr. Joben Palacio. Thank you. So pretty. So let's go unbox our birthday gifts. Yay! Thank you so much guys for all your gifts. And yeah, first this one from Ate Daisy. Yay! Yay! It's so cutie. Blender. I like it for my prudent shape there. Next is, of course, kahit hindi niya birthday. Ay, birthday niya palagi man. There you go. This cutie outfit for Nami. Look at this.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Yay! Thank you, Ninang Daisy.
Thank you.
Birthday ko eh, pero bakit kay Nami? Anyways, yeah, thank you. And syempre, uy, alam niyo na. Thank you, Ate Daisy. Next, guys, is this one. Happy birthday! Thank you sa coworker ni Neil for the gift. First, meron akong hand soap. Mabango siya. Says, meron akong happy birthday candles. Smells so good. Smells so good. Thank you. And meron din siyang letter. There you go. Thank you. God bless. Thank you, Aiden and Lucky. Old Navy from Rio. Yeah, from Ninang Rio. Of course, kay Nami na naman to kasi birthday nga niya na naman niya. Oh. Wow, so pretty. Hindi ko pala to unboxing eh. Unboxing pala to sa kay Nami. Next, hello. Oh my god. Kasya man siguro to sa akin. Crop top. Kasya man to kay Mama, oh. So pretty guys, oh. Birthday mo ba, baba? Bakit lahat sa'yo? Ito pala yung akin. Ulta. Ay, I'm so excited to shop. Ayan guys. From Rio and Ate Princess, thank you. Excited na ako mag-shopping sa Ulta. Sabi niya, hulaan mo day, Grace, Princess, and Rio. Hulaan ko daw ang laman. So, paano tayo? Magkano kaya ang laman nito, guys? Guess the price. Guess the amount pala. Thank you. Sana birthday ko everyday para may Ulta. Lagi. Yay! Ulta, let's go! Next is one from Jessica. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you sa gift. Meron akong perfume. Oh, ang bango nito. Ang bango niya. Yes, another, candles. Thank you. I love, scented candles. And lotion. Ang bango nito. Guys, try niyong bilhin to. Sweet pea. Sweet pea.
Pea.
Pea. Sweet pea. Paano ba to kasi basahin? I'm just joking. And then, yay! Pink Moscato. They're all pink and purple. I don't know, they're all purple. Si Ate Daisy purple, kay Nami, kay Rio, purple din and pink. And then kay Jessica, purple and pink.
How about si Miss Rachel?
You know, purple.
How about si Miss Rachel?
Pink. Soda pop. And last but not the least, babuksan ko ba?
Did you hear that?
Oh, what's that? What's that?
We have a ghost, guys. That was just the Airwick spray. My timer yan. Your imagination's so big.
Birthday, may God bless you with many more years and hope you had a fantastic day. Oscar. Got Panda! Yeah, gift card from Panda. That's it for today's video, guys. And oh, he said I still have more gift coming from Amazon, Sephora, Lululemon, and let's go have some fun. Let's go and let's have some drinks.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribers, thank you for 4 million subscribers. Thank you, guys. I love you so much.
4 million? You have 4 million?
No, I'm just joking. Bye. Thank you, Jobin, for the Imagine Magic. Don't forget to watch Neil's show on October 11, November 8, and December 13. Bye.